Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into Instagram's algorithm because, let's face it, TikTok is hot on Instagram heels and we need to stay ahead of the game. I've got some juicy Instagram algorithm hacks to share with you today. So, grab your notepad because we are about to level up your Instagram game so you can use it on your own business. Instagram started as a photo sharing app. But times have changed. People crave video content. Short videos are the new currency of attention. To thrive, forget about photos and embrace reels. They can get you 120% more reach than photos. But wait, there is more. It is a surprising fact, half of Instagram video viewers prefer to watch content without sound. To captivate the other half, make sure to include captions in your videos. It is a simple step. You can use the caption sticker or explore third-party apps for more precise control. Instagram has rolled out some exciting features like dual recording, green screen, and split screen, all designed to make your content more dynamic without the need for extensive post-production. These tools are perfect for those looking to maintain a consistent posting schedule. In the fast-paced world of Instagram, attention spans are incredibly short, often less than 2 seconds. To keep your audience engaged, start your videos with a hook, a captivating visual or audio element that instantly grabs their attention, whether it is someone suddenly appearing in frame or a clever punchline. The hook is your key to keeping viewers engaged for longer. Consistency is key on Instagram. Aim to post once or twice a day. Even though it might seem time-consuming, high-quality reels and regular posting will keep your audience hooked. And in return, Instagram will reward your efforts with increased visibility and engagement. Instagram is constantly enhancing its search functionality, which means you need to strategically incorporate relevant keywords into your profile. If you are a nail technician, make sure nail technician appears in your bio, captions, and hashtags. This will increase your chances of being discovered by your target audience. Don't dismiss the power of hashtags. They are not obsolete. They are simply evolving. To expand your reach on Instagram, focus on creating captivating content that keeps users engaged on the platform. Instagram will then leverage hashtags to amplify your content. Be sure to use them judiciously for maximum impact. Timing plays a crucial role in your Instagram strategy. Analyze your audience activity patterns through analytics and pinpoint when they are most active. Posting during these peak times will lead to immediate engagement and earn your favor with the algorithm. To steer clear of shadow banning, refrain from using follow and unfollow apps or automating your interactions to an excessive degree. Regularly check if you have been shadow banned and take necessary measures to rectify the situation. Instagram notes operate much like Twitter, but within your circle of close friends. It is not about expanding your follower count. Rather, it is a tool for boosting engagement and building deeper connections with your audience. Consistently show up in your followers' feeds to strengthen this relationship. For e-commerce businesses, Instagram is a treasure trove of opportunities. Utilize Instagram Shop and explore the new shopping on Explore feature to streamline the purchasing process for your customers. This will enhance their shopping experience and drive more sales to your business. That's a wrap, guys. We have covered a lot today, and Instagram's algorithm secrets are no longer a mystery. If you have more hacks or tips to share, drop them in the comments below. And if you are serious about Instagram growth and running an online business, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and hit that notification bell. By the way, in our next video, I'll be discussing how to get verified on Instagram to help your business growth. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time.